Merry Christmas everyone, hope you're having a lovely time. I am doing a Christmas special and this is it. Each year I do an unboxing of a product on Christmas Day and it's from my wife. So I'm not sure what's in there, she hasn't told me what's in there today. I'm not doing an unboxing and review because it's going to take me too long because I have no idea what's inside and I've no idea how long it's going to take. So all we're going to be doing today is just doing the unboxing and having a quick look around whatever it is, and then later on I will do a proper review on the product, whatever it is, hopefully. But before we do that, I just want to thank everyone, all those people who've been watching my videos, whether they've been watching the live streams or the unboxings or any other videos I made over the last 3 years, and then some of them have been a bit crappy, I'll own up to that, or quite a few of them probably. But it's been a brilliant year, it's been a brilliant 3 years. I want to thank everyone for watching my videos and a special big thank you to everyone that's subscribed to my channel. It's been brilliant. You know, without you subscribers, I would have packed it up ages ago. But the fact that you're still subscribing and I've still got people joining my channel, subscribing to it, yeah, it gives me hope, it gives me faith to keep going. And it's down to you people that keep me going. Without yous, I would have packed it. I would have thought, it's not worth it. It's not worth all this hassle, all this money I spend. It's just not worth it. But it's been brilliant. And the live streams are getting better as well. You know, the people on there, they're talking, we're having a good laugh and that. It's been really good fun. So big thank you to all the subscribers and a big thank you to everyone. Everyone that watches my channel, thank you very much for watching it. I can't even give this a title yet. I'll have to think of a title because, you know, I'm going to just call it the Christmas special, unboxing of a Christmas present or something like that, because I've no idea what's inside and I don't really want to put a title up there because it gives the game away, because you'll know before I know, if you know what I mean. I'm not sure how that one works, but I think you get the idea anyway. So yeah, but, you know, brilliant, thank you very much. Like I said, without you people subscribing to my channel and the constant flow of people subscribing, it's been excellent. You know, you do lose some subscribers, but you also win some as well. Not as long as I keep winning more than what I lose, it gives me hope. It's a brilliant year. It's a brilliant 3 years. Thank you very much, and I'm looking forward to doing the unboxing. So with that, so I'll shut up and do the unboxing. I'm not going to shut up though, am I? So yeah, this is from my wife. It said Merry Christmas to Dave, love from Mel. She put some kisses on it. Da, da, da. So nicely wrapped. I can't say nicely wrapped by Amazon, can I? Because the wife wrapped it. So I'm looking forward. I don't know which one. Just tear it open. What do you think? Oh, let's go for it. Oh, it's a wrapping. I've got a box. So it'll probably be a box in a box. Looks like an Amazon box actually. Oh, there's no label on it. She took the label off. Well done, woman. I'm going to have to get a knife. Do you like the shirt? I wore this last year, I think. I'm pretty sure, and the hat. Got hat. Oh, I've got some. I've got a little Christmas decoration up there. I've got some Christmas friends up there. Yeah. Got some decorations over there. I'm not sure if you can see them, but you know, they're over there. Right, let's get this baby open. Let's see what she's bought me and how much she loves me. Or I shouldn't say that. It's not about, you know, how much it costs or anything. It's about the thought that counts, isn't it? Isn't it? I told her she has to be quiet while I'm filming. Oh, wow. She bought me a new Stream Deck, extra large. I did ask her for one of these. This has 32 keys on it. Look at that. Oh, brilliant. I have the 16, I think 4, 8, 12, 5, 10. I had the 15 key one. And it's good. It does have continuous or infinite amount of options, but the fact is it's nice just to have a big set of knobs buttons or whatever you want to call them on the front, so you can get, especially when I'm doing my live stream, yeah, so you can just press them. Right, I want that one, I want that one. I don't have to keep going into like a folder into a folder to get to other options. So 32 keys this little thing's got. Look at that baby. Da, da, da. And I can tell you now, without a doubt, it's going to be brilliant, because if it's as good as the little one, which it should be, if not even better, oh man, it's got easy setup, personalisation keys, unlimited profiles, endless expansions. See, I told you. I'm not even sure how much this costs. I think it's about, I don't know. I forgot to check. I'm not even going to check. It doesn't matter. It's not about the money. It's about she bought it for me. She loves me. So I'm going to quickly undo it, right? We're going to undo it. We're not going to do a review on it, but we're going to undo it. She break the seal. Come on, come on, come on. Looking forward to playing with my new toy. Da, da, da. Smells new. Stream Deck Extra Large, quick start guide, and it's got another language on there. It looks like French. Could be wrong. We're only having a quick look around, alright? It's got USB in there, it's got USB, it's got to have a USB to charge it up, or power it up, not charge it up. Nicely packaged by, I think it's Corsa, isn't it? Corsa owns it now. I'm sure it's Corsa. Look at that. So the other one has a foldable or adjustable stand. This has a fixed stand, which actually I think is just as good. It might even be better. It's got a bit of plastic come off there. So yeah, that is a baby, and I will do a proper review on it at a later stage, like I said. But for now, Merry Christmas, and I hope you have a lovely time at Christmas and in the new year. And I look forward to doing more videos, whether it be unboxing or live streaming. Yeah, like I say, it's been a brilliant year. Thank you very much for watching. Looking forward to playing with my new toy. Oh, that is gorgeous. I love it. I love you all. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Ching ching.